Good morning, dear children. Today we will start the differentiation of equations in parametric form. Sometimes we are given functions, the relationship between x and y, not in explicit or implicit form, but through the third variable. Suppose x is some function of t and y is g, some function, another function of t, then x and y, they are related to each other through the third variable t, which is called parameter. So when the equations they are given in this form, it is said to be in parametric form. The relationship between x and y is given through the third variable t, then that is called the parametric form. So if we find dy by dt, it can be written as dy by dx multiplied by dx by dt. So from here we can have dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. And dy by dt means g dash t, dx by dt means f dash t. So dy by dx equal g dash t divided by f dash t. So let us understand it through some examples. This is the first question, x equal to 2at square and y is equal to at to the power 4, and we have to find dy by dx. So we will first differentiate x and y with respect to t. So dx by dt equal differentiation of 2at square, 2a is constant. So and the differentiation of t square with respect to t is 2t. So it becomes 2a multiplied by 2t, that is 4at. And similarly dy by dt becomes a multiplied by differentiation of t raised to the power 4, which is 4t cube. Now dy by dx becomes dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So it becomes 4at cube divided by 4at, that is t square. Next one is x equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b cos theta. So x and y, they are related to each other through the parameter theta. So we differentiate x and y with respect to theta. The differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta and a is constant. So dx by d theta becomes minus a sin theta and dy by d theta becomes minus b sin theta. So dy by dx becomes minus b sin theta divided by minus a sin theta, that is b by a. Sin theta gets cancelled. Next one, x equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta, y is equal to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. So dx, again they are related to each other through the parameter theta. So we differentiate x and y with respect to theta. The differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta and the differentiation of cos 2 theta is minus sin 2 theta, and multiplied with the differentiation of 2 theta. We have to use chain rule here because it is a function of theta. Here this angle is a function of theta. So we get minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta, and similarly dy by d theta becomes differentiation of sin theta is cos theta and the differentiation of sin 2 theta is 2 cos theta. So we get cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. Then we find dy by dx by dividing dy by d theta with dx by d theta. Next one is x equal to a cos t plus log tan t by 2. A is constant. Again we have to differentiate with respect to t. So dx by dt is equal to differentiation of cos t is minus sin t and the differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So first we use that. So we get 1 upon tan t by 2. And since it is not simply t, we have a function of t, we will use chain rule here. And so we will multiply this with the derivative of tangent t by 2. And the derivative of tangent is sec square. So, but here again we have to use the chain rule because here it is not simply t, it is a function of t which is t by 2. So we get sec square t by 2 multiplied by derivative of t by 2, that is 1 by 2. Now convert this 10 in sine divided by cos. We get sine t by 2 divided by cos t by 2, which is now at numerator. And sec square t by 2 can be written as 1 divided by cos square t by 2. Then this 1 cos t by 2 gets cancelled, and in the denominator we are left with 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. And we know that 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin 2x. So it becomes sin 2 into t by 2, that is sin t. So we get a 1 by sin t minus sin t. We can take LCM. It becomes 1 minus sin square t divided by sin t, and 1 minus sin square t becomes cos square t using the identity sin square t plus cos square t is equal to 1. Now dy by dt becomes a, and the derivative of sin t is cos t. Now we divide the two dy by dt with dx by dt to get dy by dx, and it comes out to be 10t. So that's all for today. Thank you.